Yo, what's up guys? Today is Vince Trade here, and today I'm going to be talking about why most traders are bad at trading. Not because they are actually bad at trading, but they do not know what type of trader they are. Today we're going to be looking at the three major styles of trading: day trader, swing trading, and scalping. By the end of this video, you will know which kind of trading style fits your personality. So let's get started with day traders. These are the type of traders who live inside the market every single day. They open and close position within the same day, and 80% of the time there is no overnight holding. The upside to this is that you get quick results and you avoid holding through news or gaps. But the downside to this is that it's stressful, time consuming. It requires sitting in front of the chart for hours. Day traders usually rely on technical analysis, fast decision making, and discipline to avoid revenge trading. Now let's move on to swing traders. Swing traders hold trade for days, even weeks, catching bigger moves in the market. The upside to this is that they do not need to watch the chart all day. They can keep a job or run a business while trading part-time. The downside to this is that you will have to deal with overnight risks, and it takes patience. Swing trading works best if you are someone who likes to analyze charts calmly and does not want to stress over staring at the screen all day. Finally, we have scalpers. Scalpers live for fast, small profits. They might enter the trade, exit in minutes, sometimes exit in seconds. The upside to this is that you get a lot of trading opportunity and you can compound quickly. The downside to this is that it requires insane focus, super fast execution, and ability to stay calm under pressure. Scalping is not for everyone, but if you love adrenaline and speed, this might be your game. So are you a day trader, a swing trader, or a scalper? Comment below and tell me which one fits you best and why. And if you got value from the video, I would like you to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because I will be dropping more trading breakdown every week. And remember, it's not about trading every style, it's about finding the one that match who you are as a trader. So guys, that'll be it for today. Thank you, and remember, subscribe. Yeah, I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of this year. I know you guys can do it for me. Peace out.